Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to restore settings to their original defaults in Google Chrome browser. Okay, open a Google Chrome browser and click on this option, customize and control Google Chrome option, and go to settings. Here we can see the option reset and cleanup. Click on this option. We can see here restore settings to their original defaults. Okay, click on this. Here it is showing the details like reset settings. It will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts and disable the extensions, and it will delete the cookies and other temporary site data. Okay, and it is showing like bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. Okay, so if you want to know more about on this history, bookmarks and saved passwords, click on learn more option. Here we can see the details. Your saved bookmarks and passwords won't be cleared or changed. Okay, if you want to reset settings, click on reset settings button. Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to bookmark a particular URL. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and click on this three dots option, and you can see the option here bookmarks. Okay, so you can select the bookmarks this tab option. Okay, so before that I need to bookmark one particular URL. So I will bookmark Google URL. Okay, again come to this three dots option and use the bookmarks option and click on this bookmark this tab option. Let it be the name as Google itself, and I need to create one particular folder to bookmark this URL. Okay, so click on this more option and I will select the bookmarks bar option, and I will create one new folder for this. So let's save this URL into this particular folder. Now you can come again and see the bookmarks option and click on this particular folder Google and click on this URL. Okay, if you want to show the bookmarks bar, okay, you can select this bookmarks bar option. Okay, now you can see whatever I have created a folder as Google and bookmark the URL as a google.com URL. You can see it here. And also if you want to see all the bookmarks what you have done, okay, if there are maybe 10 or 20 bookmark URL, so you can use this bookmark manager option. Okay, so click on this option. Okay, if you have there are maybe some 10 to 20 URLs you have bookmarked it. Okay, so you can see that all this option in the bookmark manager page, it will open in the new tab window. Okay, so you can click the Google now, and you can click I have saved it as a one of the URL as a Google URL. So you can click this and you can see the URL name. Okay, so like this you can use the bookmark manager in the Google. Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to add a extension to Google Chrome. Okay, so click on this three dots option and go to settings. You can see here you have a option of appearance here. Click on this option, and here you can see the option theme open Chrome Web Store. Click on this option. You can see option themes and extension. Click on the extension option. You can see here there are so many extensions over here, so which one you want you can select it. So I will select as of now save to Google Drive as extension. So I will click on this add to Chrome. Click on the button add extension button. It will take some few seconds. So once it has got downloaded, and we can see here as in this icon, extension icon, you can see the message now save to Google Drive has been added to Chrome. You can see now here save to Google Drive as came here, and also you can click this pin option. It will appear here itself, and also I will click on zoom scheduler as pin option. You can see here the zoom scheduler option also, you can see it here itself. Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to change the languages in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so click on this customize and control Google Chrome option and go to settings. Click on languages here. So if you want to add any languages, you can click here add language button. Okay, so let's type Telugu here. Okay, so click on this and click on add option. Okay, you can see here the options are here English and Hindi and English United States and Telugu. Okay, so for example I will click on this option more actions button, and I will make it as display Google Chrome in this language. Okay, click on relaunch option here. Now you can see all the words whatever as there here, it has changed to Telugu language. And also if you want to make it Hindi also, you can make it here. Click on this more options and click on this option and click on this relaunch option again. You can see now it has got changed to Hindi language. So now I will make it to default as English now. So click on more actions and click on this option and again click on relaunch option here. Now you can see it has got changed to English language. Hi, in this video we can see the proxy setting details from Google Chrome. So how we can go from Google Chrome to settings in our laptop? Okay, how it will redirect from Chrome browser to settings page in our laptop. Okay, so open a Google Chrome and go to customize and control Google Chrome option and click on settings, and here we can see the option system. Click on this. Okay, here we can see open your computer's proxy settings. Okay, so if I click this option, it will redirect to settings page in my laptop. Okay, so here we came to settings page, and here we can see automatic proxy setup. I have enabled by default automatically detect settings. I made it as enable, and if you want to set the proxy setup, use a proxy server. Okay, if you want to make a setup, click the setup option and enable this proxy server option, and provide a proxy IP address and port number, and click on save option, so that it will take a proxy server details here. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.